Larisa McShane and Associates is proud to present our recently completed renovation project. Originally 6 small bedrooms and 3 tiny baths, the whole second floor of the client's home was converted to 3 larger bedrooms, 3 expanded bathrooms, and a spacious master suite. When we began the project, the master bedroom was dark and small, with outdated floral wallpaper and furniture from the 1970s. The closet was far too small for our client's needs and was overflowing with items. The bathrooms featured old-fashioned pink tile and outdated vanities. The other 5 bedrooms were in the same shape, too small and outdated. This was a home in need of an update. To begin, we demolished all the walls and replaned the whole second floor. We added 2 large windows and sliding glass doors with a balcony to the master suite, facing the beautiful backyard. We exposed the existing attic joists in the ceiling to add height to the room. We filled and refinished existing hardwood floors, installed sophisticated lighting and audio-video equipment. In addition to the beautiful garden views exposed by the new sliding door, we created a focal point of the floating shelves made from the reclaimed wood beams. We accented the shelves with personal photos, natural elements, ceramic and metal vases. In the master bathroom, we added a custom vanity with makeup table, quartz countertops, marble vessel sinks, a large glass shower, a wall-mounted toilet, and a large tub. We installed sconces on the counter-to-ceiling mirror. We installed new windows and doors, trimmed with cedar, finished in whitewashed gray milk paint. The new spacious and sophisticated bathroom made this beautiful master suite feel like a sanctuary for our happy client. In the hallway, we redesigned the outdated iron stair baluster, adding a curved wall with elegant sconces to lead into the beautifully transformed second floor retreat. We updated the 3 other bedrooms by designing them in blue, lavender, and green colors with new furniture and lighting. Larisa McShane and Associates were privileged to work with talented craftsmen and artists who were able to carry on our vision and give the space a beautiful and sophisticated new look. We are very grateful to our clients, Cheryl and Glenn, for giving us the opportunity to design and renovate their beautiful home.